twins! How cute!
Cute? We're scary! And you're scared right now, you big scaredy cat!
Oh, sweetie, I think it's scary that you think you're scary. You guys are adorbs. Here's some rainbow treats for being such cutie-corns. By the way... That's how you do scary, twinnies. Good luck.
I can so be scary. A little trick or treat?
Huh?
Huh? Why are you roaring?
Oh, I thought this was a game. Wait, aren't you witches? Why are you roaring?
Yeah, but... forget it.
Cute witches, though. Want some candy? Here's some candy corn for the cutest twinny-corns in all of Rainbowville. Nice dresses, by the way. You look pretty.
Pretty or pretty scary?
I'd say you're more cutie than spooky. Anyway, cuties, I've got a split. A banana split, that is. Ha!
Why doesn't anyone think we're scary? You are scary. Boo-boo, that wasn't me.
Boo!
What a bunch of scaredy-corns. Pixel, is that you?
Hey, twinny-corns, wait for me!
The Rainbowville Dance Spa. Time for a much-needed self-care dance break. Yeah, Vacay. I'm so looking forward to DJ the DJ set. This noise makes my ears sad. What is wrong with this music? Oh no! Throw your hands in the air and say yeah!
No!
Oops. Sorry, fans. I'm gonna take 5 and mop up the dance floor. DJ, what happened? Why does your music sound so... aquatic? Hey, Vacay. Well, so here's what happened. I was playing a set at P3, the Puppycorn Pool Party, and who's ready for the cannonball contest? Yay! That's right! Cannonball! I won that cannonball contest, by the way. But now my beats are all waterlogged. What am I gonna do? If the old beats are gone, we'll just have to record new beats. Well, I don't know if I can find the inspiration. I'll help you record. Wow. Thanks, Vacay. Okay, DJ, this is my favorite spot in Rainbowville. My home away from home. The Twinkle Star Cafe. Howdy, Corns. Welcome to the Twinkle Star. Honey, vacay. I thought you were on vacay. Always. Maybe a double slice of cherry pie will inspire a new song. I hope so. Make it a double. Double coming up pronto. What the hitchin' you giddy up, compadre? Huh? She needs to find some inspiration to write a new song. All right, partner, I'll kick on the jukebox. A little music couldn't hurt. Wait, what's that sound? I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. You feel it in the whole room. Little buddy, I call that the hippocorn stuff. It's the perfect beat. It's the perfect beat. We've got to record this. Yeehaw! Let's work together. I knew you'd find the beat. I gotta call Missy and let her know that Sparkle Fest is back on. Hey, DJ. Hey, Missy. Good news. Honey, Vacay, and I are going to form a supergroup to play at Sparkle Fest. That's fantastic. The superest supergroup ever. If we're gonna be a supergroup, there's one more thing we need. Fabulous outfits. I know just who to call. The Itsy Glitsies. Ooh, the Itsy Glitsies.
Candy, what are
you and the Rainbocorns making back there? It smells really good.
I'm inspired, Bonbon. I've got a great big idea for feeding everyone at Sparklefest. You've heard of cake. You've heard of cake pops. The next step is cake popsicles.
You've done it again, mate. That's why you're the chef and I'm the driver of Rainbowville's most fantastic food truck.
Delicious desserts.
Sounds flat.
I wasn't flat. I sang on pitch.
Not a flat note, a flat tire.
Our beautiful baby has a boo-boo.
Good thing I always carry a spare tire. Candy, is this a blender?
It's my spare blender, in case something happens to my main blender.
This is supposed to be for an extra tire, not a backup blender.
Oh, that's what that was for. The cannonball!
We've got to think of some other bright idea. Missy is counting on us to make it to Sparklefest.
We can't give up. We can bake our way out of anything. After all, we're delicious desserts. I've got an idea. I'm gonna need a lot of flour. I present to you the delicious driving donut.
We're saved.
Do not forget the sprinkles. Delicious desserts.
Candy just texted back. On our way, donut powered. What does that mean? Just in time for the auditions. The dancers will be here any minute. Uh-oh.
I'm so hungry. What do you think's inside? Maybe cookies. Or candy. Or cookies. No, wait, we already did that one. I hope it's cookies. Only one way to find out. Can't reach. Stupid wings. Hey, maybe Pixel can help us reach it. Excuse me, Pixel? Rainbowville Annual Hamstercorn Games! I'm in the 15K hamster wheel! Must win gold! Wow! No PB! Guys, we need to help her! How are we gonna get up there? Our wings aren't strong enough to fly yet! Oh, no! This isn't good! Get your head out of the clouds! We need to think! Oh! Wait! That gives me an idea! If we can't use our wings, we'll just have to wing it! Follow me, gang! Thank you, boo-boos. Wow, all that drama's left me famished. Who's hungry? Me! Well, you're in luck! There's a container full of fresh veggies in the pantry! It's veggies!
I can't find Missy anywhere. She's going to miss her own show. Do I have any clues?
I can't find my guitar either. Maybe if you find one, you'll find the other. She got a doggy bag full of her favorite cocoa bones and headed back to the stage.
A cocoa bone. I saw more backstage. Pasha's gonna solve the mystery. She's gonna crack the case. Pasha's gonna find Missy 'cause she looked all over the place. The instrument closet. Missy!
Wow, thank you for finding me, Posh.
How'd you get stuck in there?
It's a long story. Hello? Anyone out there? Help! Okay, it was a very short story. Thanks Thanks for saving me.
No problem. You couldn't have missed Sparklefest.
Now let's celebrate.
Come on, everybody. Get on your feet. It's time for the Hippocorn Stomp. Rounds, shuffle, slide, stomp. Rounds, shuffle, slide, stomp. Rainbocorns, tap your horns. Rounds, shuffle, slide, stomp.
Yay, we did it!
We never could have done this without you, Missy.
Rainbocorns forever!